three laws. Actually, Newton has four laws. The fourth law, which is the gravitational law, is omitted in this lesson. Starting with the first law, it's called the principle of inertia. It states that when an object is at rest and subjected to many force, it stays at rest. And when it's in motion with a constant speed, it stays in motion. This can be illustrated in the following example. Imagine a paper on a table and a book sitting on the paper. When you quickly pull the paper that's standing on the table, you can notice that the book will stay in its place without moving. So this is because of the inertia of the book. So it tends to stay at rest. This also can be illustrated if I'm moving on a on ice skate. I'm ice skating, and I'm subjected to two forces, one from the behind and one from in front of me. These two forces have equal magnitude, so the sum of these forces is zero. So I tend to stay moving with the same speed with URM, uniform rectilinear motion. So we can apply Newton's first law on this example. You can try this application, simple application. Now for the Newton's second law, the object is not at rest and not moving with URM. It's moving with acceleration. So the second law is the most important law of dynamics. Dynamics means motion. It describes a body subjected to external forces where the resultant force is not zero. It states that if a body of mass m is subjected to the action of several forces of non-zero resultant force, it moves with acceleration. So it moves with changing speed. So the summation of forces is equal to mass times acceleration. Notice here the vector sign. We can also try this. We can calculate the acceleration of the circus performer. Now, Newton's third law, as we know it last year as the principle of interaction, it states that when body A exerts a force called Fa over B on body B, then the same time body B will exert a reaction force on A called Fb over A. If these two forces have the same line of action, magnitude, but having an opposite direction. This law can easily be summarized as action equals to reaction. Thank you.